Hey, amazing learners. You're welcome to math lesson today with Mrs. Adiola. The topic we'll be treating today is percentage. It's going to be fun. Let's begin. So today we are going to learn something new and fun in mathematics. Let me ask you this question. Have you ever shared a pizza with your friends? If everyone eats the whole pizza, we say nothing is left, right? That means we ate 100% of the pizza. If we eat only half of the pizza, it means we ate 50% of it. So percentage tells us how much of something we have out of 100. And when we write percentage, we use the sign on the screen. So percentage are parts of 100. They can be represented by as fraction, that is, with a denominator of 100. So the bottom number will be 100. So percentage means out of 100. So let's take a look at these percentages. 50%. What is 50%? Just like we all know that 50% is 50 out of 100. 50 over 100. 50% means half. Half of two equal parts. So if I divide an apple into two, I ate one part of the apple. That means half of the apple is gone. So 50% means half of something, half of two equal parts. So if you are to write it in fraction, we have 50 over 100. So 50 divided by 100, 50 divided by 50 is 1, 100 divided by 50 is 2. So it also means 1 over 2. Now 25%. 25% means 1 quarter. This means one part of four equal parts. If I divide a shape into four equal parts and color one part of it, that colored part is 25%. So let's take a look at this example. Find 20% of 200. The first step is to change 20% to a fraction, which is 20 out of 100. So 20% equals to 20 over 100. Then the second step is to multiply by 200. So we have 20% times 200. Off means times. So we have 20 over 100 times 200. So 20 divided by 100 is 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 multiplied by 200 is 1 times 200 is 200 divided by 5. 200 divided by 5 is 40. So 20% of 200 is 40. Let's take a look at this second example. Find 10% of 300. Just like the way we did the first example. First, change 10% to a fraction, which is 10 out of 100. 10 over 100 times 300. After changing 10% to a fraction, then you multiply by 300. So we have 10 over 100 times 300. 10 over 100 is 1 over 10. 10 divided, that's 100 divided by 10. That will give us 1 over 10. Then we have 300 times 300. So 1 over 10 times 300. 1 times 300 equals to 300. Then 10 times 1 equals to 10. So we are left with 300 divided by 10. So 300 divided by 10 is 30. So 10% of 300 is 30. So guys, it's practice time. It's time for us to practice what we've learned. So let us try out this question. Find the percentage of 1, 10% of 50, 50% of 20, and 20% of 25. with the explanation and the steps I gave you in the two example we did. Use it to answer this question. Kindly drop your answer in the comment section. So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.